Coming in, Pakistan Markazi Jamaat-e Hadith General Secretary Elahi Zaheer is in Bangladesh. He has visited the Rajshahi and other areas in the last 2 days. He will visit different places of Rangpur division in the coming 3 to 4 days. That is a huge security alarm for India. Pakistan radical preacher has been spotted in Bangladesh. This is Hafiz Saeed's associate Elahi Zaheer, who has been spotted in Bangladesh. And that is very, very concerning news coming in. He is camping close to the border with India, and Saeed's associate is to camp in Rajshahi and other areas included Rangpur as well. Visit of Saeed's associate coincides with the visit of Pakistani Joint Chief of Staff as well. The top Pakistani general also camping near Siliguri corridor. Ishan is joining us for more details on this story. Ishan, take us through these breaking inputs coming in because it is a huge security alarm for India, where Pakistan's radical preacher has been spotted in Bangladesh.
Elahi Zaheer, who is a close associate of Hafiz Saeed, has been spotted in Bangladesh, and he is in the border districts along the Indo-Bangladesh border. This is especially concerning because he has been providing a lot of inflammatory speeches and preaches a radical Islam that has been causing a lot of problems for both India and Bangladesh. Zaheer is a close associate of Lashkar-e-Taiba founder Hafiz Saeed, and he has been spotted with Hafiz Saeed a lot of times, and it has been picturized with him as well. His activities include inflammatory speeching and engaging with local network have sparked security concerns for India in these border regions, as he is visiting them for a 12-day period.
Right, Ishan, we also at this point in time understand another development, that this visit coincides with another visit of Pakistan Joint Chief of Staff, which is top Pakistani general, also camping near the Siliguri corridor today. So what does that mean?
This is a very special development, wherein we had seen development of an airbase near the Siliguri corridor, wherein China has been helping Bangladesh develop an airbase. Similarly, we are seeing this visit of Pakistani military officials along with radical preachers from Pakistan to these border areas near the Siliguri corridor. The Siliguri corridor is very significant because it is the only land connection between the 9 northeastern states and the India's heartland. Now, this has been targeted by China and Pakistan and Bangladesh through a developing nexus that we can see here.
All right, Ishan, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, viewers, we will now